Hello, assalamu alaikum. We were discussing and exploring dictionaries in Python, and we had reached to the point of how to access elements in dictionaries. We learned that by providing the key of the specific value, we can access that particular value from a dictionary. But sometimes this becomes a bit problematic. And the reason behind is that if, for example, I have dictionary 1 and I am providing a key called, for example, Z, okay, and assigning that Z to a variable called Z variable, what will happen? Let's see. It will give a key error to us that Z is not present in dictionary, so how can I return it? Now, on a first instance, this seems like a small error, but if you are doing it inside a loop on the base of which another loop or function is being implemented, and suddenly this error comes out of nowhere, the whole program can crash. So, for sake of safety, we use the get function for accessing values inside a dictionary. So, for example, I will say dictionary dot one dot get. I will provide the key for it. Okay, so this will hopefully provide me with the 4 number, as it is the key of that value. And if I provide this the Z value, it will just return a none to me. It will not crash the code, it will just return a none. So none, it's not showing here, but let us save it in a none variable, and then we will print that none variable to see what this has returned us. Okay. Type of none variable, get, check it. It's none type. So this none variable will be saved with a none value rather than crashing the code with an error. We can also customize what the get function returns us if nothing is found aligning with that specific key. So I can provide in the second function, second circuit argument, not found. So whenever, if no element is found, the none variable or any variable which in which the value is going to be stored will be returned with not found instead of none. Okay, let's print none variable to check that if it has worked or not. Yes, not found. So basically what we learned today is that rather than using or accessing the values inside a dictionary by uh, providing the key to this square brackets, we use the get function because it's safe and it lets us safeguard our code from crashing unexpectedly. Thank you very much.